This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37FH is a Class A RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 39 feet 1 inch in length and features a SANIBEL interior, sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, skylight, oven, water heater, smoke detector, microwave, DVD player, leveling jacks, slide-out, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37FH is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.